Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel. So recently I was creating a video, I was researching for a video, how can the people who are coming from the non-technical background or people who are not from the IT background, how can they leverage the power of cloud computing? So people like business analysts, people like project managers who are non-technical, or maybe people like who are coming from marketing, how can they actually use the cloud computing, because they normally prefer doing things or using application which are no code, zero code or low code, howsoever you want to say it. And while researching for that video, I stumbled upon this great course from NVIDIA, which is around the data science, and that really intrigued me. That free course, I started to explore more and more courses from NVIDIA. And I'm sure that you know what NVIDIA is in the world of AI, Gen AI, data science, machine learning. So it's a very big name. And from there, I started to explore more and more courses from NVIDIA, both free and paid. But the great part is even the free courses have good certification that you can, of course, share on your social media platforms, maybe LinkedIn. So let's explore what are the options, what are the courses available from NVIDIA. And of course, you can choose the same according to your preferences or whatever you want to do in the world of Gen AI. So let's explore courses from NVIDIA. And to avail all the courses, you have to come to this website which says self-paced training from NVIDIA. So I will give the link for this website in the description box. You can read all about the certifications, what are the trainings, courses available. The best part is I will showcase you what are the benefits for the same. So the best part of doing all these courses is that even if they are free, it's very good courses, very nicely structured. The content is very up to the mark, latest. That is the best part of all these courses, whether free or paid. So as you can see, some of the benefits are that you get the access to the technical expertise. Then the industry standard tools and framework are described and used while layouting all these courses. Then we have applications across the industry. So you can see that learning can be done not only from the IT perspective or just from the IT in mind. There are industries such as healthcare, robotics, manufacturing, and many more. And further, you have reduced time to production. The best part is that you earn certificates for most of the courses. I will showcase you that while we browse through the courses. Even the free courses have certifications. Then the examples given are really real world examples. I had good learning from one or two courses that I did. Then you understand what are the GPU accelerated servers in the cloud. So now let's go to the courses. What are the courses available? So for that, you have to come this section of the website which says all the self-paced courses. So here you can see, first of all, the first thing to notice is that we have a lot of subsections given here. First of all, we have accelerated computing. We also have data science, data learning, generative AI, LLM, graphics and simulation, and infrastructure. So you can choose courses, you can choose the category as per your interest and then go on to the courses under the same category. So let's explore some of the courses here. I will actually start with this data science. So this was the course, Accelerate Data Science Workflows with Zero Code Changes. So this was the course that I found when I was researching for that video here that will be soon published. And you can read all about this course in this page here. So this course, of course, is free and you will, it's a beginner level course. The language is English, and here you will understand the benefits of unified workflows across CPUs and GPUs for data science tasks. Then the other interesting free courses available are, so for example, one course which I liked was this one. So this is very good course. So anyone who is learning the generative AI, this could be the first course that you can do free of cost. The best part is in this course, you will explore the concepts and the applications of generative AI and the challenges. And you will also learn what are the opportunities present in this dynamic field. Really good course for the AI beginners. Then the other interesting courses are, for example, this one here, which is Building a Brain in 10 Minutes. So this course, as you can see, it explores the biological and psychological inspirations to the world's first neural network. So really interesting course. Other courses that I would recommend you, which are free actually, is one of the course which I liked and probably I will do, I have not done it, is this one, Building RAG Agents with LLM, so large language models. So this course, my friends, you can understand This course will basically guide you through the practical deployment of generative AI agent system, and then it gives you understanding about the offerings and flexibility to scale your solution efficiently to accommodate the needs of the users and the client. So really wonderful course, not a big course. It's just 8 hours. You can probably finish it in one day. Free of course, intermediate level. So this is not a beginner level course which is free. This one is intermediate level course which is available to you free of cost. And I want to show you one thing here, that there are courses which are available for free, but there are certifications available. So for example, you can come across to this course here which says disaster risk monitoring using the satellite imagery. So this course is free as you can see here, but the certifications is available. So you can share this certification on your social media, LinkedIn. So likewise, there are many more courses which are available for free and they have certifications. And besides the free courses, my friends, there are wonderful paid courses as well. So for example, one of the course which I am interested in is this one here. So this course will give you a good understanding about the GPUs and the which are actually very necessary today in the world of LLMs. And one more thing I want to show you, that instead of browsing through all these categories, for example, all these categories, if you want, you can actually get a PDF version of all these courses with all the details of the courses. And for that, you have to scroll down. You come to this one here and you see this view full catalog. Once you click on this, you will be given with this PDF file. And in this file, actually, you get the listing of all the courses, both free and paid. You can keep the PDF file handy with you and explore all the courses in one shot. So friends, please do explore all these courses. I will also explore some of the courses, for example, RAG or Generative AI Explained. So these and that one, the building the brain in 10 minutes. So these are few courses that I am eyeing on. But please also share what are the courses that you are doing in this. What are the courses that you liked? How was the content? So please share that in the comment section. Others can also learn and inspire from the same. Links to all the websites and all the course material that I referred in this video are shared in the description box. And yes, there is a contest also mentioned in the description box. So please check out that, not just in description, but I will also pin that in the pinned comment section. So please check out that. The last date is coming soon. So please do explore that part also. And you can actually win a lot of, you can actually save a lot of dollars there. So yeah, please explore the pinned comment description box. And that's all for today. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay fit, keep learning, and thanks for watching.